Being a beauty journalist for nearly 2 decades, I've seen many trends and treatments come and go. But I firmly believe the key to great skin lies in nourishment. The food that we eat is of course integral. Start by using fresh vegetables as the basis of every meal, and add healthy fats through things like fish, avocados or nuts. As a general rule, the brighter colour the vegetables, the more antioxidants they contain. So if you try and eat a rainbow of colours, you'll be protecting your body at a cellular level, and your skin will reflect that. Of course, while you nourish from the inside out, you also need to nourish and protect from the outside in. At a most basic level, you need a good moisturizer to help protect your skin and help maintain a healthy barrier. In winter, when my skin is really dry, or when I'm flying, I'll step it up a notch with an intensely moisturising balm like Weleda Skin Food. This beautiful balm contains a host of all natural plant oils such as rosemary, calendula and chamomile. The Skin Food line has 3 new additions: Skin Food Light, Skin Food Body Butter and Lip Balm. There's a new variation of Skin Food Light that is really comfortable and easy to wear. The body butter is intensely moisturising and great for dry limbs come winter. Lastly, I often use Skin Food as a hand cream and lip balm on my lips and cuticles. At the end of the day, you want to be sure that you're feeding your skin with ingredients that are proven to protect and hydrate. And when they're natural and plant-based too, that always helps me sleep better at night.